Hey YouTube, this is Jacob the Pokemon, and I'm gonna open 3 packs that I just bought from Target. So, start with HSN Daunted. Oh, you like that, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So, Ziply, Funko, Aeron, Gligar, Beldum, Sage's Training, Musk, Raticate, ooh, Espeon Prime, oh, that's awesome, and a Honchkrow, that is awesome. I don't have a sleeve around me right now, that stinks. Alright, next, HS Triumphant, okay, so Spoink, Venonat, Dratini, Machop, Pidgey, Piloswine, Twins, Tentacool, Dragonair Reverse, and a Spiritomb Hollow. Nice. I'm getting good pulls from just 3 packs. Black and white. One, two, three, 1, 2. Maybe I'll get Reshiram World. That'd be awesome. Because I need that one. Oshawott, Minccino, Switch, Timber, Pampor, Whirlipede, Warthog, Servine, Lilligant Reverse, and a Galvantula. So I got 2 rares in that pack. I got a Prime, a Hollow, and 2 rares in a pack. So it's pretty cool. Alright, so thanks for watching.